Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix package appears to be invalid problem on any Poco phone. Now if you're trying to download an app and this error appears, just check if the app is already installed on your smartphone or not. Now if the app is already installed on your smartphone, this error will appear. Now once you have checked that this app is already installed on your smartphone or not, just go to your home screen. Now from here just open the settings. Now from here, just search install unknown apps. Now from here, tap on install unknown apps. Now from here, scroll down and tap on install unknown apps. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Google Chrome. Now from here, make sure you enable this feature. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, tap on Play Store. Now from here, just tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, tap on Play Protect. Now from here, tap on the settings icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, just disable this feature. Now from here, tap on Turn Off. Now from here, just enter your screen lock. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, tap on Settings. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from here, tap on Manage Apps. Now from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Now, once you have done that, just tap on Other Settings. Now from here, just tap on Reset App Preferences. Now from here, tap on Reset Apps. Now once you have done that, just try to download the app from Chrome. Now if the problem is still not fixed, then the app you are downloading might have a problem. Just download the app from another website or from a trusted place. And this is how you can fix the package appears to be invalid problem on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.